Welcome to PlatoForms. Today, we'll show you how to integrate your form with your cloud drive for smoother submission management. PlatoForms lets you upload and store form submissions in your selected cloud drive folder, streamlining your management process. Before we start, there are a few things you'll need. Firstly, you need an active cloud drive account. Currently, PlatoForms works seamlessly with Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, and Google Drive. Secondly, we recommend creating a dedicated folder in your cloud drive account for storing your form submissions. Finally, make sure you're logged into your cloud drive account in a web browser. With these essentials in place, we're ready to proceed. Go to the dashboard and find the form you want to integrate. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a settings gear icon at the top right corner. Click on it, and from the menu that pops up, select Cloud Drive. In the window that appears, choose the tab associated with your preferred cloud drive, like Google Drive in this example. Flip the switch to turn on the Connect to option. You'll be guided through the process to grant PlatoForms access to your cloud drive account. After successfully connecting your account, you can customize your integration settings. Here's how. Selecting a storage folder, click Browse to choose a folder from your cloud drive account. This folder is where your form submissions will be saved. You'll see the folder's location displayed in the Saving to Folder box. If you want to create a subfolder, enable the Create Subfolder option. In the subfolder input box, enter a custom field to name your subfolder. You can use special custom fields for this. In this example, we'll use the file creation date as the custom field. For more details, click the Help button. After confirming your settings, click Save to save everything. That's it. Your integration settings are ready to go. Whenever a new form is submitted, a generated PDF will be sent to your cloud drive folder. If you have any questions or need more detailed instructions, check our user documentation or the FAQs Help Center. Enjoy a more efficient document management process with PlatoForms.